So I'm on the Biglia stand here at EMO 2019. Now in the UK, these machines are supplied by Whitehouse Machine Tools, and I'm with Mr. Biglia, one of the, is it the second generation?
Second generation, yes, yes.
Okay, now today we're going to find out about the B438 Y2 machine.
Yeah.
Tell us about this model and what's changed and what's been upgraded.
Okay, this is a twin turret, twin spindle machine with 38mm bar capacity, double Y-axis. Machine is a very fast machine and very compact. Footprint is very interesting, and but for the size of the machine, it's a very rigid and fast machine.
Now you used to have the B436. Was that this one's predecessor?
Actually, it's almost the same machine. We just upgraded the spindle capacity.
Now, why did you do that? Were you getting a demand for people that wanting to just go above 36mm bar?
Yes, actually there is a standard in the market which is 1.5 inches, which corresponds to 38mm.
Okay. Now there are quite a few twin turret, twin spindle machines in the market, and I'm quite frequently seeing them now with double Y-axis. What this machine has. What do you think makes the Biglia a little bit different?
Okay, what I would say is the speed, the flexibility. This machine also has the possibility of installing a tailstock, possibility of working with the three tools together, which makes the machine flexible and very productive.
Yeah, tell me about that tailstock. I was looking in the machine, so that is supporting the component in the main spindle, but it's kind of displaced. It's away from the second spindle.
Actually, is linked to the second spindle, and which allows us to support, let's say, a shaft, which is while we are machining the shaft on the main spindle with the upper turret, we can finish the component on the sub spindle using the lower turret. So supporting, turning on the main spindle and at the same time finishing second operation on the sub spindle. And so in this way we can have a really very flexible machine and shortening cycle times.
Tell me about the amount of tools on here as well, and whether you have the double point indexing.
We have, of course, each turret has 12 stations, but which means 24 positions. But using the Y-axis and multiple tools, we can install up to 36 tools.
Up to 36 tools, okay. Is this one of your most popular sellers, this size of machine?
Actually, this is one of the top sellers, as well as our the bigger sister, which we have actually with the same philosophy and layout of machine, a bigger model, which is the 446 and 465.
Okay, you told me earlier you build around about 500 machines a year. They're all built in Italy, is that right?
Yes, all built in Italy in Cisa Scapacino.
Okay, and the company, are you growing? I mean, that 500 machines, how long has it taken to get to that quantity? Because that's a lot of machines to be putting out.
Yeah, okay, but we make approximately 50 machines a month, actually, and we are planning to increase our capacity up to, let's say, in the next 2 years, up to 650, 700 units. Yeah.
Whitehouse Machine Tools is a good supplier for you in the UK?
Yes, it's a very good partner. We have a very long-lasting relationship. We are working with them since 1993. We started with Tim's father, Peter, and apart from the business relationship, very good also personal relationship.
Good stuff. Yeah, these machines are available from Whitehouse Machine Tools. Now, what's interesting about this sort of technology as well for me is the turnkey element, and that is one thing that Whitehouse do specialise in as well. When you get a machine like this, you need to make sure you get the best out of it and make it as productive as possible, and Whitehouse can certainly support you with those needs.